Hello everyone and welcome to Learning Updates. Today I am again back with another learning topic in this YouTube channel. So our today's topic is how to get 5 free certification course on customer service management. So first of all, what is customer service? Customer service is the support and assistance that a business provides to its customer before, during and after they purchase or use a product or service. It can include actions such as answering questions, troubleshooting issues, and offering product suggestions or responding to customer complaints. In order to understand what is customer service and what are the benefits and what are the pros and what are the growing opportunities after knowing these kind of skills, so I will recommend this article provided by indeed.com. So 8 reasons why customer service is important and a priority. So I will provide the link of this blog in the description box of the video. You can check out that. And another blog is provided by salesforce.com. So what is customer service? So you can check out what is the definition of the customer service and why customer service is important to the success of some business, and so on and so forth. So moving on to the our first learning course in this topic, which is provided by live chat, and the course name is Connect with Customers. So this is a 5-part email course that covers the fundamentals of providing excellent customer service. It is suitable for individuals with little experience in customer service field. The course includes 90 minutes of training and 22 practice tutorials. At the end of the program, participants receive a certificate for completing the course. So you can see there are lots of learning contents and modules provided in this course, and this course is trusted by 36,000 companies claimed by live chat organization. You can click on the sign up for free button and register yourself with your email address, and then you can access the learning contents and modules provided by live chat. So moving on to the next course. So the next course is allison.com provided by, and the course name is Introduction to Customer Service Excellence. So Allison offers a free online customer service training course that introduces the participants to the basics of customer service. The course is a good starting point for beginners. Allison offers other courses like outstanding customer service that help business owners and managers train their teams in customer service. You can see the learning modules over here. Like module 1, you will get to introduce to the customer service workplace. In module 2, you will get to learn customer service skill sets. In module 3, the customer service center, and the module 4, you will have to go through a assessment after completing all those learning modules, and after completing those course assessment, so you will get a free certificate provided by them after completing this course. So moving on to the next course. So the next course is provided by oxfordhomestudy.com, and the course name is Customer Services Short Course. So Oxford Home Study Center provides these free online customer service courses that covers a wide range of topics. These courses are suitable for both newcomers and experienced learners. These courses offer the opportunity to build customer knowledge, skills, and confidence in customer service. So you can get CPD approved free certificate provided by them. So this is a free certification course. After click on those on the learning outcome portal, you will get to know what are the topics and what are the course content provided over here. Like in topic 1, you will get to know what is customer service. In topic 2, you will get to know what is knowing your customer needs and importance of customer feedbacks and complaints, the value of training and development in customer service, and the importance of building long-term customer relationships. So this type of knowledge you will get after completing this course. You can see this is a short course provided by oxfordhomestudycenter.com. and this is a 20 hours of course, and this is a very good amount of feedback provided by the learners after completing this course. So you can check out this course. So our next course is customer service provided by Seller Academy. So Seller Academy offers a free online course on customer service management. This course does not provide a certificate. It offers a valuable knowledge and skills in customer service. To achieve free course completion certificate, learners need to earn a grade of 70% or higher than the final exam. So you can see these are 26 hours of learning modules provided by this seller seller academy online portal, learning portal. So unit 1 you will get to know what is the customer service workplace, and unit 2 customer service duties, customer service skill sets. Following in unit 3 and unit 4 the customer service career in unit 4, and unit 5 improving the customer experience in unit 6, so on and so forth. They are after completing the unit 7 you will have to complete the customer feedback journey and the assessment. You have to complete the assessment and you will have to get secure at least 70% in the final exam. Then only you will get a free certificate provided by them. So moving on to the our next and last learning module or free certificate program provided by greatlearning.com. So the course name is Customer Service Essentials. So as we have already discussed some free courses provided by Great Learning Academy, it's a great learning opportunity provided by them in their portal. So in this free lifetime access course you will get 1.5 hours of self-paced video lectures. So about this course, Customer Service Essential is a free course designed to equip your fundamental skills for success in customer services. So this course covers crucial aspects such as introduction to customer service, where you will grasp the principal fundamental or foundational principles and so on. So here is the course outline. So this is the learning modules they will provide in throughout this course, like introduction to customer service, understanding the customer, understanding the communication skills, handling customer inquiries and complaints, and using technology in customer service. You can click on the view more and you will get the all learning modules provided by them. So you can sign up with your Google account. Also you can access from your different email account. You can see after completing this course you will get a free certificate provided by them, which you will look like this kind of certificate you will get after completing this course. So that's all about today. If you will enjoy this course, then please share with your friends and your colleagues and your people surrounded by you, so that they can also get the opportunity to learn this kind of course skills, gain skill sets and enhance their skills. So that's all. Stay safe, be happy, keep learning and keep growing. Thanks for watching and bye bye.